viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to present you a sloka which we have to chant at the time of thunderstorms. So generally many people will have a fear about thunderstorms because there will be a lot of sound at the time of thunderstorms. So I will present you a sloka which we have to chant at the time of thunderstorms. The sloka is Arjuna, Palguna, Partha, Kiriti, Svetavahana, Bebhatsa, Vijay Krishna, Savyasachi, Dhananjayaha. So this is the sloka. All these are names of different names of Arjuna, who is a member of Pandava. So these are all different names: Arjuna, Palguna, Partha, Kiriti, Svetavahana, Bebhatsa, Vijay Krishna, Savyasachi, Dhananjaya. These are all names of the Arjuna only. So we have to chant the names of the Arjuna at the time of thunderstorms to avoid any kind of inauspicious or fear. So viewers, keep watching my channel, subscribe my channel. I will present more good things to you. Thank you.